Hello and welcome to the Stamp Cave. In this episode we are going to open this letter. This letter contains Norwegian stamps from World War II. This letter I have of course opened it before, but I've not been looking closely at what inside it. So that we're going to do now. Oh, there's a lot of stamps. Huge lot of stamps. And a big variation. Maybe I should let you see a bit closer. Edvard Grieg, Richard Nordrock, and Quisling, the Nazi man in Norway during the war. There's a Fridtjof Nansen pre-war stamp. It's a bunch of stamps from issued before the war was ended by the Norwegian exile government in London. Some of these stamps, if you get them with a number on, they're really high value. These are average value. One more Nansen from a different series. So and a lot of stamps with the overprinted V. As you can see, some of the stamps here are have hinges. Use stamps with hinges, but some dust on, some smudge on some of them. See, this one has a brown border. Maybe it's I can do something with it. Put them into this bath, let them soak, but I have some special things I do when I soak stamps, and that we're going to look at now. Now we are in a little bathroom. I take some dishing liquid who's neutral, and have a little bit inside the water. Fill more, and as you see I have an extra tub outside to secure that I'm not losing any stamps out. Filling it up, and now I let it soak for some minutes, maybe 15 minutes and half an hour. Yes, and then we are back and see how this has developed. What's important now is to rinse the stamps, and because I have two tubs, I can just let it overflow the inner tub, and then I stop, put the stamps that are in the edge back in this tub. So here's very clean stamps with no hinges. We're going to place the stamps on the drying paper. I'm going to show you a little special equipment that I have, not designed for stamps, but designed for clothes. It's an old press, but I use it to dry stamps in it, and it has a heater. We'll see how it works later. Now it's hot in here. I take my stamps. There are some adjustment here for so what temperature it is. To avoid that terrible noise, I just do it like this, hold it some extra, and then I open up, and I don't know if you can see it on a camera, but the water damp is flowing out. So this way it's drying. Now taking it over here. Take the stamps over here. Let's see. And now we're going to check Watermark, and I use something called Super Safe. What I do, I place the stamps, of course, upside down, top in that direction in the tray. Then I take liquid, and if we press them down, see this one has Watermark. Oh. To keep them sorted, I dry them. They dry by themselves. But I put the one with watermarks, I put the face down, and then one without watermark I have face up. If this one has a watermark, it will be really cool. It's a lot of money. But I guess it has been checked 5,385 times and found to have no watermark.